Allow me to tell you something about these snacks I have. First off, I have these cheesy snacks known as boots. Airy, crispy, flavorful and tasty, indeed. One time, a monster known as the boot looter showed up at my house, scared me and ate all my precious boots.
It is I, the boot looter, here to loot your boots.
Okay, moving right along. I have these bold snacks known as telephones. But, there was this other monster known as the telephone taker, who snuck in my house to take my tasty telephones when I dozed off.
The telephone taker has done it again.
Who's there? Now, I have these bolts sitting here. However,
It is I, the bolt burglar.
you have 5 seconds to get that out of here.
Okay, sorry. I'll leave.
Boots, telephones, and bolts. Just be careful of any of those monsters that might approach.